Hello, what is up? Today we're back with another video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a long time, but we're back with another video, and we're playing Playground Fills. Awesome, right? But basically, we're playing Playground Fills, and we'll see if people are tryhards or not. I would say I'm a tryhard a little bit, but I wouldn't say I would be like building. But yeah, so overall, like I have I have a bunch of skins, like a lot of wasted money, but no, it's basically worth it. What if it's worth it? It could be worth it. Just kidding. Well, these are my favorite skins. These are all my skins. I would say I have a lot. Some streamers think that this isn't a lot. For me, it's a lot. I don't care what you think. I would say this is a lot of money spent. And I've only finished one battle pass. That would be the battle pass 7, season 7. So yeah. Let's get right into the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment what I should play next. Like I can play Minecraft, I can play Roblox, whatever you guys want me to play. But just something specific. Like type in like Roblox, play Prison Break. Like just like type in what you want me to play in that game. You can say play Minecraft, creative, build like a dog, and yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get right into the playground, and yeah, I'm not trying to waste my time. It's already been like 2 minutes. Yeah, let's go. It changed a lot. Like a lot. Alright, these look like tryhards. I'm scared. Daddy, I'm scared. Oh, I can't play. Well, it's a spectating video. Okay, I'm going against tryhards. I can see it. I can even see it. Look at that guy's dead. What? Bro. Game over. Oh, hold on. This is so not understanding. Let's go here. Come closer. No. Oh. No. I gotta make it. Troublemaker. Oh, they're tryhards. No. Good thing he saved me. Yeah! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. No! Oh, come on. Oh, someone's here. He's coming. Oh. Storm is coming. Ah, I'm dead. Eat it. Eat it. Ah, someone's here. Okay, so far I got 1 kill. Oh, I forgot to put face cam on. Wait, sorry. I have face cam on now. Oh no, it's coming. Ah! Oh, I see person. I'm really good at like spotting. Mom! That's not fair! That is not fair! Come on, load it in! Okay. Sorry if I'm pretty laggy. It's not that laggy for me. It's just lagging on the screen. Come on, open! Storm's coming. I think I spot into a different game every time. Oh, I get the same loot every time. Oh. Ooh. Got him. I got it. I literally am so... Oh yeah, you can just... Oh, you can't? What? I don't get this game anymore. Hey guys, wait up. And we're gonna end this video off because it's kind of getting too long. I don't want you guys to just watch boring stuff and just skip through the video. So I'm gonna make this video quick. I just wanted to make a video because I haven't been making a video in a long time. And yeah, I haven't been video for a long time. Blah blah blah. Enough talking. Please go subscribe to my friend DD Blanks. I'm not putting it into the description because I'm too lazy to. But DD Blanks, go on YouTube, search him up on the search bar and press enter. And right when you see DD Blanks, click that subscribe button. I really wanted to hit how much subscribers I have. So please just give some love to him. I would really appreciate it. And even if you want to, give me some love too. Like this video, like all his videos, like a bunch of his videos. So yeah, bye.